people, just a quick one. I have had some comments with the tools that I review, predominantly the Dewalts. Do I keep them in any cases? Because I don't necessarily buy cases with the tools. I buy the bare tools, as I've already got the platform batteries and everything. Yes, I put them in cases. Predominantly, I'll take you down and show you now. This is some of the system I use. There's more in the garage, and there's quite a few more boxes in work. But basically, I'll give you a quick look. It's not going to be anything fancy, but I use the T-stack system. Again, all the boxes locked together via the little tabs, so you can pick them all up in one go if you want. There's a wheelbase you can get. There's like a trolley with a handle you can get. Yeah, it's what I use. It's like the SDS that I just done an updated review on, because I bought it bare, no box. I bought the cheap T-stack top box that comes with the foam inserts. Cut the foam inserts out, put my drills in, and then I know everything that I need when I'm doing my SDS drilling is in there. All my drill bits. I've even got a keyed chuck adapter to go in the SDS drill if I need to. All in one-stop shop, so to speak. And I've done the same then. I've got, obviously if I can lift that off one-handed, I've got a couple of the screw boxes as well. There's two more out in the other garage. So that can just lift off. You can take that wherever you want. Then I've got my little circular saw that you've already seen the review on. And then down below, I didn't show you this one, but this is what I've used for my Erbauer track saw. It's a perfect fit in there. I could put some carpet in the bottom eventually, but and they're strong boxes. Some of these boxes are 5 years, 6 years old now. You just connect together, snap them together, job done. So there you are. That's just a little quick one to answer some of the questions of how do I keep and store and move some of my cordless tools around. Like I said, I have got quite a few more of these boxes, some in work, and I've got chargers in them, batteries in others, and just makes it easier if you go in out on site working or just moving shit around. Keeps them out of the way, out of the dust, out of the filth. Yeah, so there you are. Hope that helps. Stay tuned, people. More videos coming.